Hi guys, today we're going to be making Valentine's Day baskets. First,
I have stuff in mine.
you're going to need obviously a basket. I think these are both from the dollar store, right?
Yeah, I think this one's from IKEA.
Oh. Yeah, anyways. In the bottom of mine, I put some pink little wrapping paper, or tissue paper.
Yeah.
Danny, do you want tissue paper for mine, for yours?
Oh yes, we have some more. In the bottom of mine, I just have these little hearts, but I think I'm gonna put them like over the tissue paper, and you can also put some of yours.
You want some of these?
Yeah, these are really cute. I'm gonna put these little hearts, or this tissue paper with hearts.
So, I don't know if you guys have seen like fur baskets, but it was like a cute little gift basket that you could make for your friends, your kids, your partner, whatever. And so this is kind of the same idea, but just Valentine's Day stuff. So we went to the dollar store and we got just a whole bunch of stuff that was kind of like pink Valentine's Day-y. And yeah, so what I'm gonna put in mine first is this Princess Jumbo coloring book.
So
I kind of want to make it cute like that. I'll just probably send it back.
Okay, I'm gonna put cute heart tissue paper in mine, just at the bottom. I don't know how much to tell you to do.
Oh, those are so cute.
That's really cute. Just like.
And the thing about these that I kind of like is you can customize them. Like obviously I think the ones we're making today are definitely more catered towards like little kids. But you could do this so cute for your teenager. I feel like if I was a teenager, I would love this. Like put some like, lotion, face masks, cute little hand sanitizers, going to like Ulta and getting like their little like mini section. They have such cute stuff. Let us know if you guys would want to see one for like teenagers or older kids.
And also it's so fun because you can literally do this for like any holiday. Like obviously the Valentine's ones are so cute. But I mean the burr baskets are for like Christmas, and I've seen like boo baskets too.
Yeah, those are really cute too. And I've seen them with like blankets for like older kids rather than like candy and toys. Anyways. Okay, do you want Sleeping Beauty in yours?
Sure. First I'm gonna put these just little hearts.
I think I kind of want some.
Yeah,
of these too.
put some in.
These are from the dollar store. I bet you could go to Michael's too.
Yeah, I bet Michael's has a lot. Honestly, like lots of places. I'm gonna put Sleeping Beauty Barbie in mine.
And I'm gonna be putting Valentine's Day M&Ms. Target also has a really cute Valentine's Day section right now. Okay, which sunglasses do you want?
I think those ones match yours good.
Okay.
So I can do these.
I feel like, yeah, I'm trying to think, how could we?
Maybe I'm gonna also add, these are like tiaras about hot tamales.
Yeah, hot tamales.
Yeah. In mine.
Okay. Oh, this is a great one. Gum. This is universal. This could be for your older kids or your younger kids.
Okay, I'm gonna put my cute little sunglasses. I don't know, it's kind of hard.
Cute. Okay, your basket is looking really cute. Do you want? We've got more of these little.
Yeah, so many cute little suckers.
Hot take, I love purple with Valentine's Day stuff. I feel like Valentine's Day is like only like, oh, pink. I'm like, no, it's pink, purple, and red. Anyways. Also, fun fact, Valentine's Day is like one of my favorite holidays.
Me too,
Even when I like I don't even have a boyfriend or anything right now, and I still love Valentine's Day.
Me too.
It's all just about like love, and it's like the middle of the winter, maybe not middle, but it's just like cold and gloomy, and then like you get to have something cute, pinky, and just celebrate like all love. And
I just love all the decorations for Valentine's Day. They're just so fun. Okay, in mine, I'm gonna add this little lip gloss. I feel like this also is kind of universal because like little girls would want to play with makeup, but also you could get like a nicer one for an older girl. But this is just from the dollar store, I think.
I want to do, maybe we should like make like an older kids one. Let's do a younger kids and older kids one. And yeah, that'd be so much fun.
Let us know if you would want to see that.
Okay, I'm gonna put this little Ariel in because she matches my Ariel that's on here. Oops. I got this at Five Below. Five Below also has a ton of really cute stuff. And then we can put some hair clips.
Yes.
We'll kind of show you what we have left. So we have a chocolate rose, dollar store. Some clips that are just kind of pinky.
Cute.
Caramels. I think this is also from like Target. got 2 more heart suckers. And then we've got this ribbon, which can be decoration. These cute felt hearts that are like stickers. Oh, those ones are all the white ones. Let's get some red ones up in here. But then what else? What do you have there?
I have
Like
this
a
is just
machine.
a little. This is so cute.
cute.
Little heart gumball machine. So
like
perfect.
that one.
I know, I love that. And then I also just have some more of the felt hearts, but in pink.
So mine was looking a little drab, and we don't have obviously any access to go to Target right now and go get a cute little basket. But what we do have access to is cute little dresses, of course, here at Taylor Joelle. So this one is called, what is this? This is our pink sea princess dress.
Yes.
This one just launched this week, actually. So cute. And this is the same dress that Ariel is wearing here. So I think I'm gonna fold mine and put mine in here to kind of have like the base.
And then I'm gonna add this cute pink ball dress into mine just because I feel like it's so cute and perfect for Valentine's. I love the little bows on it.
So cute. Okay, so I put my dress kind of at the base with the pink tissue paper. If I were to make myself a basket, I'm 24, so I'm thinking of like older kids, college kids, young adult kids. Or again, this could be for your roommates, your partners, just friends. I want to do this for all my friends. I think it'd be really cute.
Yeah, I think it's so
Birthdays.
Oh yeah, this is such a good gift idea.
Yeah. I would want, I'm trying to think, what would I want? I'd love a good face mask,
yeah.
candle, blanket,
Skincare.
skincare, scrunchies.
Oh yeah.
I love like little like clips
Socks.
and
I
scrunchies.
love
Socks,
fuzzy,
cute.
fuzzy
Fuzzy
socks.
socks for sure. I'm trying to think what else. Any little lotion, hand sanitizer, like little like under eye masks. Like I said, a candle. I'm a big candle girl.
Oh yes, I love candles too.
And then I think obviously like a little treat would be cute.
This is how mine.
Cute! Wait, that looks so cute. I'm gonna put my gum back in.
Suckers.
I'm gonna turn mine so I can see if it's really cute.
So honestly, it's just so fun to like play around with.
Yeah.
So it looks cute.
And make it look cute.
Uh-huh.
I've gotten like a basket kind of like this before as a gift, and it was my favorite. It was full of like, my friend went to Five Below and got these like cute little trinkets and a candle. Like I said, he got me some perfume. Really cute.
So cute.
I'm gonna add in some of these felt hearts.
This would be so fun even on Valentine's Day as like a little, when your kids wake up or something, they could wake up to like a cute little basket.
Ooh, guys, maybe we should do this for Easter. A little
Oh, at Easter? Yeah.
Easter basket for, because I feel like Easter basket for kids, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's kind of easy, but Easter baskets for older kids, that might be a little trickier. Do you want this?
Oh yes. Maybe I'll put
This one in.
Something I always love in my Easter basket that I get is swimsuits. It's so
Oh,
random, but it's like
what?
the best thing because it's starting to get warm.
Wait, that's kind of awesome and genius. I want to do that.
No, my mom always gets swimsuits. I'm like,
Guys,
I love it.
let's get some rosy beach up in here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to decide if I want like this whole thing
Oh,
in, or would that look
cute.
cuter on yours? That might be look cuter on yours because yours is pink. I'm gonna add mine. These are them done, and look how cute. So again, this could be such a cute, and both of our baskets are pretty big. They do not need to be as big as this. They could literally be a lot smaller. Anyways,
And
I just thought this would be so cute.
Yeah, and also I feel like it's very budget friendly. Like most of this stuff came from like the dollar store.
This was,
You know?
yeah, this could easily cost like under $15. Especially if you go to dollar store, Five Below, Target. Anyways, but also our dresses make a very
Yes.
cute little stuffer.
Perfect little gift.
Anyways, my bill's kind of ugly, you guys. Don't look too close. But, anyways, I know I would love to get this even at age 24.
Me
So maybe, okay, maybe don't throw it around too Anyways, if you guys do this, please let us know. I'd love to see it.
Yes.
And yeah, Mikel, Danny, do you have anything else to add?
I think so.
Okay.
I think that's.
All right, guys. Let us know if you do this. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye.